Hello, Rich Regal here with Sea Ray Boats. I'm on board the all-new SPX 210. This boat is an amazing family-friendly boat. Comes in both stern drive and outboard. The boat I'm on today is the Outboard, powered by the Mercury 150 horsepower. This boat has tons and tons of storage and amenities. We'll start here on the aft of the boat. You can see this large, spacious sun pad. Great place just to hang out, sit and watch the kids swim, enjoy the day on the water. As we move into the boat, you can see we have storage here in the walkway, 2 storage compartments here, plenty of room for all of your stuff. We move into the cockpit. The great thing about this boat, we talk about storage, there's never enough storage on a boat. Every single seat on this boat, lift it up and you've got more storage. You can see we've got our lighted cup holders, we've got our tower with bimini, everything you need to enjoy a full day on the water out in the sun. Here at the helm, you can see we've come standard with our Simrad 7-inch digital display. Easy comfort to swing your seat around, enjoy the party, talk to your friends and family. Also convertible seating on the port side as well, face forward, face aft, depending on what you're doing for the day. And again, more storage. We have your chuck space here at the helm, storage underneath. You can see the beautiful curved rounded windshield here on this boat on the new SPX 210. And again, as you come up to the front, more storage, more cup holders, beautiful upholstery. This boat is an absolutely amazing vessel at an affordable price into the Sea Ray family. And again, I'm Rich Regal here on board the all-new SPX 210. Go to your local dealer and see it today.